Do you know that there's a new condominium project inside Araneta City, Cubao? Yes, inside Araneta City, in the same area as the Araneta Coliseum, Gateway Mall, New Frontier Theater, Ali Mall, Farmers, and many more. Let me introduce you to Loran Park. Loran Park is a mega world project that will highlight smart unit features, RFID elevators, digital lock sets, semi-furnished units, sky lounges, co-working spaces, and other exciting amenities. And here's the sample unit of a 30 square meter studio with balcony. Upon turnover, you will having a range hood and cooktop, and also overhead cabinets and under. And your sink and faucet. This side is your toilet and bath. Upon turnover, complete shower set, full glass enclosure, bidet, mirrors, lavatory, and also provision for washer and dryer. Since this is a studio unit, this is your sleeping area, dining area, and living area.
Property investors, OFWs, and even foreigners are welcome to invest. So what are you waiting for? Inquire now.